Every day has a different significance in Hindu religion. Monday is dedicated to Lord Shiva. What is the benefit of fasting or fasting on this day, and what is the importance of fasting on this day? We are going to tell you in this video. So stay tuned. The fast observed on Monday is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the cosmic master of knowledge and the destroyer of all evil in this universe. If we worship Lord Shiva on Monday, then he is pleased and gives us the desired boon. This day is considered to be the most suitable day for entering a new house or marriage related arrangements and for sports related works. Monday fast or worship is kept from sunrise to sunset. The devotees like to worship goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva on this day. It is considered auspicious to observe a fast on Monday in the month of Sawan, which comes in monsoon. It is believed that by observing this fast, all the wishes of a person are fulfilled and good intellect is attained. This fast is very famous for unmarried women to get ideal husband. There are many famous stories related to this fast. The first of them says that when a poor Brahmin fasted on Monday, he got immense wealth. The second story is about a wealthy moneylender, a businessman, when he did not get a son for a long time. Then due to the effect of this fast, he got a son. It is also said in this that by the grace of Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati, a dead child was given life again. In this way, by observing a fast on Monday, the grace of Lord Shiva remains on us. To see more such religious videos, stay tuned to our channel. Om Shanti.